Hey everyone, welcome back to English Vocabulary Building. Today, we're diving into some of the weirdest, funniest, and most unusual words in the English language. These words sound so strange that you won't believe they're real. So get ready to impress your friends with some quirky vocabulary. Let's jump in. Word 1, defenestration. Pronunciation, defenestration, meaning the act of throwing someone or something out of a window. Yes, you heard that right. If you've ever been so frustrated that you wanted to throw your laptop out of the window, well, that's called defenestration. Just don't actually do it. Word 2, limerence. Pronunciation, limerence, meaning the intense, obsessive feeling of being in love. Ever had a crush so strong that you couldn't stop thinking about them? That's limerence. It's basically when your brain is on love overload. Word 3, borborygmus. Pronunciation, borborygmus, meaning the rumbling sound your stomach makes when you're hungry. You know that awkward moment. When your stomach growls super loudly in a quiet room? Yep, that's called borborygmus. It's your body's way of reminding you to grab a snack. Word 4, snollygoster. Pronunciation, snollygoster, meaning a smart but unprincipled person, often used for politicians. Let's be real. We all know a snollygoster or two, don't we? Word number 5, widdershins. Pronunciation, widdershins, meaning moving counterclockwise or in the wrong direction. If you've ever walked the wrong way, on an escalator, congratulations, you were moving widdershins. Word number 6, gentacular pronunciation, gentacular, meaning related to breakfast. Next time someone asks what you're doing in the morning, tell them you're having a gentacular moment. Sounds fancy, right? Word number 7, quomodo conquising. Pronunciation, quomodo conquising, meaning making money by any means possible. If you're always looking for new ways to earn cash, you might just be a quomodo conquiser. Try saying that 5 times fast. Word number 8, absquatulate. Pronunciation, absquatulate, meaning to leave suddenly or flee. Ever bailed on an awkward situation? You didn't just leave, you absquatulated. Word number 9, floxinosinahilapilification. Pronunciation, floxinosinahilapilification, meaning the act of considering something as unimportant or worthless. Wow, what a mouthful. Basically, if you think something is pointless, you're engaging in floxinosinahilapilification. Try using that in a conversation. Word number 10, hippopotamonstrosis Pronunciation, hippopot a monstro says quiped ali a phobia, meaning the fear of long words. Can you believe the word for the fear of long words is itself one of the longest words ever? Whoever made this up had a sense of humor. And that's it for today. Which of these words was your favorite? Let me know in the comments. And hey, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more awesome content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.